Good morning, everyone. Here's the hair. We used to cut it short, but this time we're gonna do a gentleman's haircut. As we started already. 316. Oh, right now I can tell you, I guess, so that you can think about it, you can look at it. Right now, I believe fixed annuity is good for everybody. Either you have a lot of money or not have a lot of money. As long as you are willing to prepare yourself. In the future. I believe, because I spoke to 3 different group, and they told me the same thing. So as far as not losing the money that you invest or you deposit to make it grow for your future. See, in the past, I asked them the same thing, the same question. Either, my little deposit will eventually disappear, and thank God we were truthful, and they told me, oh yeah, just like any stock, you could lose it. Hey, Sisan! So, this fixed, not variable annuity prevent the depositor from losing its deposit. So read about that. Start with what is annuity. Fixed annuity, fixed index annuity, compared to regular. So now as you are earning you could put some money in there, you know, and ask them what should I expect if I put $10 a month or whatever in this thing. Because you could start somewhere. If you are satisfied with your answer, then yeah, put it to work. When I start getting some documents showing what I was, or what I'm telling you now, then I can show you more supporting documents, supporting what I was telling you. All of this is on here. I think all of us should be doing. It's not only some of us. Because have you tried putting money in your bank account?
Mm-hmm.
Good. That's a good experience. But would you believe that some of us are afraid? It's unbelievable. You know the reason? They could lose their money if they put it in the bank.
Isn't it insured, right?
Huh?
Isn't it insured? Yeah?
No, they don't. They don't. They don't know that. They are more confident keeping it in their home. What if it get burned? Oh, yeah, could lose it. No, if something happened to the house. All they have in mind is it's not good to put their money in the bank. Because the robbers usually rob the bank. But they don't know that those money in the bank are all insured. So read about that. And when my supporting documents comes, I'll show it to you. And that's what I was telling the agents. Give me written documents so that I can show it to people. You don't give me one, I cannot help you find customers.
Lumabas ka, tiyawangan. dito. Mhm. Tawaran namin, ano, awis punta. Sige.
Come on in. Hey, Kaji, you better be nice. Go back inside. Kaji. Oh, let me. Hold on.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Going to buy her.
That's one of the benefit of having this annuity. It will guarantee you a lifetime income that can help your social security or pension, whatever you have, whether it's social security or company pension. Yeah, doesn't matter. It will be an additional income for you. If you will be receiving a social security, you told us, social security told us, pensioners, that the next pensioners by 2034 or 35, their dollar will decrease in value. Instead of receiving a dollar value, the dollar becomes 72 or 78 cents in value. So you're losing what, 14, something like that. What is it? 72, so that's 18 cents or 12 cents. That's a lot. 12 times 100, that's a lot of money. What if 1,000? So, but if you have another source, then no problem. I'm just getting the BGs. Is that a bite?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
When you get itchy, don't make it bleed, okay? All you do is like this instead of your fingernail. Okay, let's see.
That's good.
Don't forget, put some moisturizing agent
Yeah.
like pomade, oil. Yeah,
That's good.
something like that. Okay. You can use this.
Mojo.
I think you can get it from the department store. Especially the winter time when it gets so dry. Sometimes even fix our lip because it's so dry. There is a gentleman's haircut. Thank you for watching. Oops, sorry.